baker is serving it to you raw and uncut.
Open your mouth, give you a taste.
So let's get to the sex crime report, everybody. Let's go. All right. I will be presiding over this. Tyrese versus the internet. So Tyrese clears the air. Right? Yeah, not like that. Woo! Can you imagine this nigga's fart? No, that's okay. Yeah, I'll stop this right now over that. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go to commercial break, please. We all need to breathe. Mm-hmm. All right, Tyrese is here to clear the record, right? He's setting the record straight. When it comes to this legal matters, he said that he was not arrested earlier this week, that he was never put in handcuffs because handcuffs automatically equal arrested. I can see that. But you can still be arrested without handcuffs? I don't know. That's a good question. Yeah, sit here, shut up, don't move. That's arrested to me. Yeah, you know what I mean? So we're parsing over words and meanings, right? Is that what we're going to do? Okay, so you were detained. You shouldn't have been arrested, so you were detained. The point is, are you paying your child support? We never got to that part. Did he ever talk about that? No, right? You never. See, this is interesting to me. This is interesting about this shit. Okay, I am so done with this shit. I am so done with these type of people. It's not necessarily men. There are women like this too. They want to parse words on this and that, and we know. Everybody's got their demons, okay? Everybody's got a demon. Yeah, you know what I mean? But Tyrese, I just can't. I just don't get it. The reason why you're in the news story is not because you got arrested. It's because you're not paying your child support. The arrestation comes because the child support. You just paid the child support, we wouldn't be here. Was it $70,000 now? Was it $74,000, something like that? Why can't he come up with $74,000? Why is he holding this money? These are the answers that we need questions to. Not, I wasn't arrested. I don't care. I really could care less. I don't care if you're arrested, detained, rolled over, stuffed in the in the back of a truck. I don't care. What I particularly care about in this particular story that we are forced to talk about because, well, Royal, you put this in front of my face and everyone in the world is talking about Tyrese being, clearing the record on the wrong thing. It's like, you don't even post this. I wouldn't even post this. Like, because this is like if he said nothing. Which is exactly what he said. Nothing. Tyrese, the lawyer, appealed the judge ruling of him being held in contempt of court. Okay, that's a motion. This is what happens. Nigga, you don't have to tell us what's going on. We know the law. Okay? We're not asking about the law. We're asking about the money that you owe the child. This is the problem. This is what these type of men do. They start to, direct the issue at the system instead of you paying the child. Because that's what child support is, right? Child support. Very simple, right? Look it up. What does it say? Monies and financial abilities to support a child. That's it. It's I don't care what she uses it for. I don't care. I don't care if she remodels her whole freaking face off of the child support. That, you can go and bring a court case against her. Why don't you do that and force her to pay for that she took? But you just saying that you don't want to give it up, and then you're sitting there blaming the system that you put in. You brought the system in. Because if you just paid the $74,000, we wouldn't be here, right? Is that too much? Okay, we'll talk to her about it and see if you can lower it. And if you can't, you go to court to lower it. I don't want to pay that much. Okay, then you deal with that. But the idea that you're not paying anything, That's what this is for. This is not even a negotiation. This is you owe the money. You've agreed that you owe the money. You're not paying it because you feel you don't have to pay it, or you don't want to pay it, but I don't know why you want to pay it. Well, I don't even know. Do we even know why you don't want to pay it? Is that even in the statement at all? Nothing's in the statement other than, oh, I didn't get arrested. I was detained. Well, congratulations, Boofus. You know what I'm saying? You know the difference between detained and arrest. Do you know the difference between child support? I'm just saying. Let me ask that question. Do you know what you're here for? You're telling me you're here for something else. You're here, and you. In fact, this is the problem. You responding to the internet. The internet said you were arrested. No. I wasn't arrested. I was detained. What about the child support? Anyone ask that? Did anyone ask that? Is there anyone in the media that said, "Sir, are you going to pay the child support?" That's all you got to do. Sir, I'm from KT4 News. I just want to know, are you going to pay for the child support? That's all you got to do. That's it. Very simple. And when he goes on and on and on and on, you can keep asking, "Sir, I just want to know about the child support. Can I get about the child support? You know the child has a name. What's the child's name? Do you have a name? Child support." I'm talking about everything but. And the system, and I'm making too much money for this system, and I'm black. Well, listen, you done told us everything we already know already. You got to give us more than the obvious. The obvious is, yes, the system's racist. But if it is, then you would do everything you can to stay out of that system. If you can control it, right? And when you can't, you just go in with that mentality. That you may not get exactly what you want, but you still have the right to fight for it. And with someone with money and finances as you should be able to afford a lawyer that could do better than... Well, we appealed the fact that he was not being arrested. Well, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Sir, ma'am, I don't know. They, them, could be. Who knows? Well, it is Tyrese. I'm sure he wouldn't have a they, them type lawyer. You know, that person would be progressive and absolutely probably tell him to his face, "You're an idiot. Why don't you just pay the child support?" But no, you got a lawyer that said, "No, you know what? I think we should take this. Everyone deserves a chance in the court of law." And they do. That's the rules, right? I get it. And I'm sure the lawyer probably did tell him, "Dude, why don't you just pay the child support?" "'Cause I don't like her. She did it." Oh, okay. Well, no. Not really about her. It's really about the child. You hate the child? You upset about the child? Child do something to you? Child call you a name? Call you out your name? Call your mama a name? What did child do? Let me know. I mean, the child did something to you. It's a demon child. Let us know. We will certainly revoke the money, and we won't give it to a demon. But that's what the money's for. Oh, so she's fine. Oh, okay. Well, then, can we get her the money then? What is the problem? I just don't know what the problem. This is the problem. Problem is you can't clearly define what the problem is other than you. Okay? Download the Real You Radio app everywhere. That way you don't miss a thing. What a mess. Check out full episodes of Raw and Uncut Monday through Friday, 7 to 11, live streaming on We Are You Radio. Or hit the link in the bio to download the We Are You Radio app. Comment, subscribe, and thanks for listening to Raw and Uncut on We Are You Radio, the Urban Sound of Pride.